Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know, my name is Allie Curtis and I'm simply trying to live this life to the fullest. Recently, I haven't been uploading videos. And when I say recently, I mean I haven't uploaded in a few months. And although it isn't abnormal for me not to upload for a month or two, I have been missing for quite some time now. And that's not because I haven't been making videos. It's not because I'm too busy or I don't have the time. And it's not even because I'm in poor health, physical or mental. Truthfully, I've been doing really good. And so I've sat myself down and really talked about what is stopping me from filming, what is stopping me from uploading, and I'm going to share that with you today. I'm also going to share with you where I've been, what I've been doing, where I'm going, where this channel is going, and then lastly, I just want to talk a little bit about life and how great life is. There are some of you who have reached out to me and asked if I'm okay and asked when my next video is coming out, and honestly that means the world to me that people actually care and watch my videos and like my videos, because that makes me want to make more. So from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Words cannot describe how thankful I am for the care and support I have received in these last few months of me not uploading. So, why haven't I been uploading? I think I figured it out. The truth is, I don't know how to use my camera. And I think that's what's been stopping me for a really long time. So for graduation, my boyfriend at the time and my parents bought me a camera. And I wasn't in a very good place at the time. And so having the camera made me really happy, but I never put the time and effort into learning about the camera and learning how to use the camera. And so while I was really excited to use my new camera, and I did use my new camera to film here and there, I never learned anything much past pressing record. And that to me is really unfortunate, because there is so much more to this camera than the record button. I find that when I don't know how to do something, I tend to avoid that thing. When I did try to film in the past with my camera that again I just never learned how to use, I became very overwhelmed and frustrated. Now on top of not knowing how to use the camera, I've now added negative emotions to using the camera. So, how do I overcome this? Well, it's obvious, isn't it? I should just learn how to use my camera. With the owner's manual, instructive videos on YouTube, and practice, I can say I know a little bit more about my camera than I did before, and I'm more comfortable using my camera now. I still have a lot to learn, but I've definitely got the filming part down. Next, I'm going to talk a little bit about vulnerability. So me creating videos and uploading them to the internet puts me in a very vulnerable position. Anyone can watch my video, people who love me, people who hate me, strangers, you get the gist. Anyone can watch my video, and I put a lot out there. I put my feelings, what I'm doing, where I'm going, and to put all of those things out there is very vulnerable, and although I really feel like I've gotten over it, I still really struggle uploading videos. I just want to be my most true, authentic self. I feel like for the last 21 years, I've been a complete follower. A follower of people, a follower of society, a follower of trends. I want to share with you who Allie really is, because I feel like so many people have the wrong image of who Allie is in their head. That was the old Allie. I've grown up so much, even in the past few months, and I'm so excited to continue to grow and share with you who I really am. I really think if I work on it more and I learn how to use my camera and I become more comfortable with talking to the camera and editing and all of these things, I will be a lot better, and I will upload more consistently. So, where is this channel going? Originally, I created this channel as a creative outlet for myself when I was really down in the dumps. I was literally hating my life. I wanted to make so many changes, and I needed some kind of accountability. Like, I wasn't doing anything for my life, and I felt like if I made videos, I could not only help others, but I could help myself. And I would be helping myself because I would be putting out there like, hey, I'm eating healthy, hey, I'm doing this, hey, I'm doing that. And ultimately, that would hold me accountable for doing those things. Except I never got to that point. I was very inconsistent with my routines at the time. I was indulging in bad habits. I was overworking. I was in a poor headspace. The list goes on and on. Not to mention what we were talking about earlier, but I didn't know how to use my camera, and I felt super vulnerable and indifferent about uploading my life for the world to see at the time. The whole purpose of my channel hasn't really happened yet, if that makes sense. Like, I really think I've helped people. People have definitely messaged me, reached out to me, said that my videos has helped them, and that is incredible. Like, to think that one of my videos has helped someone is magical, like, truly. So where is this channel going? Well, exactly where it started from. I want to hold myself more accountable. I want to help others, and ultimately, like I say in the beginning of every video, I want to live this life to the fullest. Recently, I've been doing everything in my power to move and strive towards these goals and aspirations that I have, and it's been busy. It's been very busy, but it's been really good. A couple months ago, I got a new job, and I have to say, I've never been so happy at a job. So I work for a small business where during the week, I assemble food, and then on the weekends, I sell at farmers markets. And the reason I love this job so much is because everyone I work with is so positive. They're so positive. I cannot believe people like this exist. Seriously. My boss is the happiest person I've ever met. She's truly made me a happier person just by being around her for these past few months. My outlook on life and how I should treat others has changed tremendously. I just want to be a nice person, and she has helped me become that nice person I've always wanted to be. But the part of this job I love the most is the farmers markets. It's like a whole different atmosphere. I've never been so happy selling something, and something that I believe in, and something that I love myself, and something that I know people love, you know, and it feels really good. It feels really good to love my job and love my customers and love going to work and smiling when I'm coming home because my day was so good. Like, it really means a lot. You should love your job. You should really love your job. And if you don't, you should really think about not spending the next 20 years working a job you just absolutely hate. Like, really. You spend too much time at work. You should love your job. But yeah, I've just been working and living my life to the fullest. I'm actually saving up for a really big future project right now that I'm so excited about. I also just got back from Puerto Rico, which is actually the footage you've seen throughout this video. It was so beautiful, the food was amazing, the beaches were great, I had so much family time, it was truly perfect. I wish I could go back soon. And I'm so excited to see what comes next for me because I have so many ideas and so many goals and so many aspirations. It's insane. So stay with me. I'm here. I'm uploading. I'm gonna be better, I promise. For those of you who have reached out, really, it means so much to me. I'm here. I'll talk to you soon.
Ready?
Go.
One.
I don't think you're in.
Don, you gotta come in.
Cheers it. Puerto Rico. Let's sink it.
Nasty.
Just like that.